Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we're going to remove the tomato peel. Okay, so all these tomatoes are washed already, and we remove the stalk here so that we can peel it more fast. And we have also here boiling water, and we will off it now. And then we have here cold water, so there's some stay there. I'm just showing you how to peel the skin very fast. So we put now our tomato. Okay, less than a minute. When you see, and you have to have this kind of thing, this, so that you will not be burned. As you can see, start already. Less than a minute, because it's boiling water. Yeah, and this one. Okay. Oh, transfer it there. And we will put that in the cold water. Before that we cover, because I'm doing a lot. And we put the here in cold water. So as you can see, I have a lot. I do already some. So we will remove the skin now. I'm just showing you how to remove the tomato peel very fast. See? It's more easy. And you're good to go to do your canning tomato. That's how we prepare. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. Hope you learned something from me. And you can tell to your family what you learn. And we do tomato canning for the spaghetti sauce. Preserve. Right? It's more. Now I already have big here. Big, my so far big tomato. So I'm just continuing. So it's more easy to peel. Continuing a little bit. And that's it guys, it's done.